Yo, what is going on, everybody? Today I'll be showing you guys how to download Fortnite on your Xbox 360 console. It's really easy to do, and first thing you want to do is go to Xbox 360 Fortnite.club. Once you're on the website, scroll down, type in your email address. This is where your Xbox 360 Fortnite download code will be sent to, so make sure you type it correctly. Then once you've done that, select the Fortnite edition you want. I'm just going to go with the standard edition. Enable encryption and click connect. Now just wait for this to load. Now when you guys are done with that, scroll down and select any of these codes and then click generate. Sorry if you guys can hear the AC, it's just really hot in my room and I had to turn it on, so please bear with me. So now guys, when you see this pop up, click verify, and the last step is to prove you're human. So the way this works is you have to install 2 apps from this list and run each one for 30 seconds. This will notify to the website that you're a human being and not like a robot trying to abuse the system. So just follow as I do. I'm going to run this app for 30 seconds and then you'll see how I'm able to get the email. So I'll give it about another 20 seconds. Alright guys, so I'm going to close this app now. I'm going to go back to the list, do another app, and run that one for 30 seconds as well. So I'll give this another like 10 seconds and then I'll close this app and I'll show you guys proof of the email. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go to my email now. It's been 30 seconds. Close that. Go back to the list, let it register for a few seconds so the website knows that you've completed it. Now close this, go to your email. And if all goes well, you should see an email from the website. As you guys can see, I've gotten it. Hey, you have successfully completed the human verification, blah, 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 blah. Here's your code. And all you guys got to do now is take that code and redeem it on your 360. And that's pretty much all you got to do to install Fortnite on your Xbox 360. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching the video. If you had success with the method, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. The support means a lot. And it keeps me motivated to keep trying to grow my channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching and peace out.